This is mine. I am playing right now. Find your own car.
I just wanted to play with you.
This isn't fun anymore.
Wait, I have an idea. Pepper, you can have a blue car.
Really, Miso?
Ready, set, go! Way more fun together. Friends, sharing is fun. More friends, more fun.
Chapter 2, Brushing with Miso.
Oh no! Sugar bugs! These sugar bugs are eating my teeth! Friends, can you help me fight the sugar bugs? Idea! Let's brush our teeth!
Brush, brush, brush today. Germs go shoo, shoo, shoo away. Brush with me. 1, 2, 3. Happy smile for you and me.
Wow, friends! All the bugs gone! Look at my shiny teeth! Thank you, friends! Let's brush our teeth 2 times a day and say bye-bye to bugs!
Chapter 3, Learn Traffic Light with Miso.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Uh-oh! Traffic light!
Let's go!
Pepper, wait! Light is red! Red means stop!
Stop?
Red, stop. Yellow, wait. Green, go.
Green means go. Traffic light helps.
Friends, can you follow traffic rules?
Safe riding. Chapter 4, Oh no! Dirty hands!
Oh no, my hands feel yucky. Friends, what should I do? Yes, I have an idea, friends. Let's wash our hands together.
Wash, wash, wash my hands. Clean and happy, yes I am.
All clean. Friends, clean hands keep us healthy. Let's play again.
Chapter 5, Drink Water with Miso.
Poof, I feel so tired. Friends, I have no energy to play. What should I do? Oh, water! Friends, let's drink water together.
Sip, sip, sip. Play, hey, water helps me run and...
Friends, when we play, our body needs water. Water gives us energy to play. All right, friends, let's play again.
Chapter 6, Don't Throw Trash on Ground.
Yay, let's play ball. Oops, I am hungry. Let's see what's inside. That was delicious. Oh no, I made the park dirty. Remember, friends, always throw trash in the bin and keep park clean.
Chapter 7, Oh no! Tummy hurts.
Wow, it's a snack time, friends. Oh Oh no, my tummy hurts.
What happened, friend? I ate too fast.
Friends, when we eat too fast, our tummy feels bad.
Friends, can you help me eat the right way?
Chew, chew, nice and slow. Happy tummy helps me grow.
Remember, friends, slow bites, happy tummy.
Chapter 8 Room Cleaning with Miso.
Where is my bunny?
Friends, can you help me find my bunny? Oh, my room looks so messy. And when the room is messy, toys get lost.
Idea! Let's clean the room first. Can you clean with me? Wow, room is now clean. Oh, there you are, my bunny. Thank you, friends, for helping me. When we clean our room, we find our toys.